guys, Steph here. Okay, so what we've got for you today is another pen haul video. Now when I say a pen haul video, normally what happens is I go out on a day trip or whatever and search for pens. Now these pens basically are pens that I've, well, I'm always on travelling, I'm always on the lookout, I'm always travelling and looking for pens everywhere. These pens basically, they're not on one day, they're pens that I've accumulated yeah, maybe over the last month or so, maybe a couple of months, I can't blooming remember, to be quite honest with you. But I thought it's time to show them to you. As always, the majority of these pens will become available. They'll be looking for new homes. Some are good, some are bad, some are indifferent, some are parts pens. But the main thing is, I always get people asking me, Steph, how can I buy one of your pens? The simple answer just down below there in the description is my email. If there's anything of interest, don't be shy, just simply send me an email. And another thing as well, I personally believe that a lot of people look at these pens and they think, oh, I'd love that one. But I think they think to themselves, no, that pen won't be available. To give you an example, my last video, anybody's just watched it, I've got a lovely Conway Stewart 58. I was actually expecting people to sort of send me some emails. I received one inquiry for that pen. One inquiry, because I believe people look at it and they think, oh, that pen's not going to be available, I might as well not even bother inquiring about it. Even that Conway Stewart, one inquiry, it's still available, still looking for a home, as are all these pens. So, well, let's get straight into it. So the first one here, this red box here, if we open it up, look at that. Yes, it's a Platinum number 86 gift set. So we've got a Platinum fountain pen and ballpoint in, basically it's never been used. Quite well, yeah, Platinum, it's not my cup of tea, but I know there's people out there that collect these pens, so if it's of interest, get in touch. Schaefer here. Now this one here, nice and simple, although my fountain pen chap, there we go, look at that. It's a, well, is it a ballpoint or a roller ball? Never been used. In fact, as you can see there, it's still got the original refill, I think. Right, what are they? Oh, these are cartridges and the converter. They won't be necessary for this particular pen, so I'll use that for another pen. So anybody looking for a nice Schaefer, beautiful condition, excellent condition, get in touch as always. Another Parker, what we got here? Looks like, is it a slim fold? Yeah, it could be the, yeah, I think it's the later slim fold in this lovely blue condition. Some of these pens will, well, they'll need sort of restoration, clean up, etc. So anybody interested, get in touch with me. What we got here, a Conway Stewart. Let's open the box. Oh, look at that, a nice Conway Stewart in this sort of burgundy colour. There you go, it's got the correct Conway Stewart nib. I forgot what model it is. In fact, if I show it to you people there, is it the 57? I can't see over the camera, 54, whatever. There you go, I'm sure you people at home can see that better than I can. So let's pop that to one side. Okay, Swan box, let's have a look what we've got inside. Oh, look at that. A lovely blue Swan. Not sure of this particular model again, so what I'll do is, let me see where the barrel imprint is. Is it a 3170? I do not recall. Lovely barrel imprint, as you can see there. Just needs a little bit of a clean up, little bit of a service, new sack, etc. So there we have it, a gorgeous Swan pen. Let's bring on some more to the side here. Right, these three here, first of all, look at that. A gorgeous Parker 61. Look, with the arrow to the top there. This is the insignia, and it's a, is it a pencil? Yeah, a pencil. So we've got a lovely Parker 61 insignia set, in gorgeous condition, fountain pen and pencil. Okay, so I'm sure there's people that like them. Here we have another two Parker 61s. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. So what we've got here is a Parker 61. This is the Cloud series pen. This is the Stratos. Again, it's got the arrow to the top there, in gorgeous condition. This one has been serviced, it's ready, looking for a new home. An absolutely gorgeous pen. So that's a Parker 61 Stratos, and look at that. What we've got here is again a Parker 61, beautiful condition. Let's show you the original label there, and this is the Cirrus, another one from the Cloud series. That one, as far as I can see, has never actually been used. Once again, this one is ready and looking for a new home. Let's bring on a couple more to the side here. Let's take you straight to this Swan. Look, you can see it's got an old Swan box, and look at that. Isn't that nice? Off the top of my head, I forgot which model it is. It's got the original Swan nib in this sort of grey, burgundy, touches of brown, marbling, in gorgeous condition. Just needs maybe a new sack. We'll clean it up, and that one again will be looking for a home. Again a Parker. Which one is it? There we go. We've got a, is it a Thuya Lac fountain pen, and there's the nib for you. So what we got here, is this the, I can't remember what it is it the 180 or the classic? Beautiful pen, ready to go. Who's interested in that? Right, another Parker. I think this one's, yeah, I think this one's a junior, as you can see there by the barrel imprint. It's got the original nib, ready to go, just needs a flush out. Lovely pen. If you're interested, as I said, get in touch down below. Right, a nice Schaefer. You see it comes with the original converter. It's a G gold, well, God, I can't even think today. The gold clip to it. It's got a gold, is it 14 carat nib there. There you go. It's got the converter inside, as you've just seen there. A lovely pen, ready to go as well, looking for a home. Let's put that to one side. Another one to the side here. No, it's not, it's one that we've just shown you. Let's pop that over there. Look at this one. Again, we've got a lot of Parkers here actually. Let's open it up, and what we've got for you here is a very nice sort of silver matte Parker Sonnet, gold plated trim, as you can see, with, if I just get my loop, if you bear with me. No, it's not the gold nib, so I assume it's a gold plated nib, but in gorgeous condition. I know there's people that like the Parker Sonnets. Get in touch. Let me just see here what we got. Another Parker. What is it? Looks like a Parker 45. Yep, Parker 45 with a gold nib, lovely condition. Who wants a Parker 45? Great everyday user pens. We've got an old Waterman box here, and if I remember rightly, let's show you. This one's a number 12, I believe, with this slip cap. So number 12's got an engine turn pattern to it. It's got a lovely barrel imprint there, as you can see. Yeah, it looks like the Waterman nib as well. And this one's what we term as an eyedropper, says he, trying to take it off. Okay, we'll work on that. We'll just clean it out. And I know there's people that collect them particular pens. And last but not least, if I open this up here, looking at with the instructions, we've got a cartridge. What we've got here is a gorgeous Parker Sonnet again. This is the tartan pattern with a gold plated trim, as you can see there. It's got the original sort of label. It says Placamore or something, which is it, silver plated. Let's show you there. Okay, this one comes with the 18 karat gold nib in gorgeous condition. Comes with the converter as well in gorgeous condition. So who's looking for a nice tartan, or is it, I can't remember what they term it, is it the engraved tartan or whatever it's called, but a lovely Parker Sonnet. And that's it. So there's all the pens that are boxed, and yes, I know you're going to be expecting me to show you all the loose ones. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to show you all the loose ones on this video. These are all the box pens that I've got available, all looking for new homes. I'm going to do part 2, and I'm going to show you all the loose pens that I've actually accumulated. So there we have it. As I said before, all these are available. Anything of interest, once again, don't leave a comment and say, how can I get in touch, how can I buy one of your pens? Dead simple, down below there in the description, email me. And if you don't email me, you don't know it's available or not. So for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini from me and all these gorgeous pens. I'm just going to say, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. But for now, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.